Doing preschool from home or any school from home can be very challenging, especially if you're also working from home or just simply trying to get your child to learn something instead of just watching YouTube. So I went ahead and made our lives even easier by creating a toddler preschool learning binder that your child can sit and learn. Hey fun people, welcome back to Everything Ajin. If you're new here, hey, welcome. My name is Ajin. Here on this channel, we do parenting, teaching, and just living life the fun way. Because we're all about shaping our future. Today I'm going to share with you my toddler learning binder so that your child can do preschool at home the fun way. Alright, so if you're ready to get your own learning binder for your toddler or preschooler, go ahead and click down below in the description so that you can download your very own copy and get your child to do preschool from home the fun way. Now, in order to get your own learning binder, you will need 3 things. You will download my learning binder pack, and then you will also need sheet protectors so that your child can do their learning binder and also use their learning binder as a dry erase board. Now you will also see me doing this as an interactive activity, so if you want your learning binder interactive, go ahead and also purchase Ziploc bags and Velcro. If you don't have a laminator at home, all you need is some good old tape and you can literally laminate yourself. Once you have everything cut up, you are now ready to put Velcro on all your pieces. Now I purchased these from the Dollar Tree and I purchased the other pack of Velcro from Amazon. I will include the link below in the description if you don't want to leave your house. These are just water bottle tops. Once you have all your pages in your sheet protector, you can store all of your cutout papers in a Ziploc bag or a pencil pouch. Another special treat for you guys. Not only can you buy this very own learning binder that we went over today, but I've actually created some binder/folder games that you can actually get as an expansion. Good job. K-Y. Candle.
Candle, right.
Right. Now, can you write, Kendall? Winter, spring, summer, fall. What season is it? You think you can circle the sun? Well, gender, are you a girl or a boy?
Yeah.
Girl, circle the girl. Do you know where the blue is? Can you circle blue? Right there. Good. What about yellow? Good. Red, green, purple, orange. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and months of the year. January, February, January, February, March, April, May, June. Say today is Monday, August 10th, 2020. Good job. Yesterday was Sunday, August 9th, 2020. Good. Are you happy or mad right now? You're not. You're mad. Alright, we'll put the mad right there. Now, let me see your mad face. Alright, now, you want to be happy? Let me see your happy face. I live with mom, dad, grandma, brother. Good job. How old are you? 2. Can you draw a 2? A, B, C, D. So make sure that you like, subscribe, and click the bell so that you can get notified when I bring you even more things you can do with your toddler with their very own learning binder. I have a shape and color expansion. You can let me know down below in the comments if there are any other expansions you really need me to make. Just let me know and I will do my best to make them for you. Go ahead right now and get your own learning binder and get your toddler learning today. See you later.